Anticipation is building tonight for a decision from Harris County, a judge about whether a murder suspect's children will have to be returned to Texas after he fled the country before trial.
Probably remember this case. Tomorrow, custody hearings continue for Lee Gilley's children while the criminal case is still in limbo. KPRC 2 News reporter Bryce Newberry is live in the newsroom now with an update and also a preview. Bryce.
Yeah, Stephanie and Keith, Lee Gilley's murder trial should have started this month here in Harris County, but you'll remember last month he allegedly cut off his ankle monitor before boarding an international flight to Milan, Italy, allegedly using a fake name and travel documents. Tonight, there is a bitter custody battle over his 2 children and a big decision ahead of Harris County family law judge Angela Lanslin. So Gilley, as you'll remember, is accused of strangling his pregnant wife, Krista, at their home in the Heights in October of 2024. Since her death, her parents have had custody of the kids and took them to South Carolina. Gilley's brother's wife has also had monthly visitation rights, but after Gilley fled the country, attorneys for Krista's family asked for an emergency order to pause the kids' visitations over concerns the Gilley family may have been involved in helping him get to Italy and claiming the kids' safety may have been in danger. So Judge Lanslin initially indicated she wanted the kids to return to Harris County to get away from that risk altogether, but now the family attorneys say that's not a good option either because their mother is dead, their father is in custody in Italy, and they have no home or family here. So tomorrow, Judge Lanslin has agreed to hear testimony on what's in the best interest of the kids when it comes to their location and continued visits with the Gilley family. Meanwhile, there is still no date set for Gilley's capital murder trial as we get very close to the end of a 45-day window the Harris County District Attorney's Office had to formally request his extradition from Italy. Tonight, though, no word back from the DA's office on whether that request has been submitted.
All right, Bryce, we know that Gilley is not the only Harris County defendant to cut off an ankle monitor even recently. Are any updates tonight on improvements to that electronic monitoring program?
So you'll remember, Keith, that Commissioner Adrian Garcia told us last month he wants to strengthen that program, especially for violent offenders. I did check in with his office today, and tonight they tell us any change in policy would be discussed over the summer. There's going to be a cost associated with it, and it'll have to be worked out as we go into the county's budget process again later this summer. Back to you.